Welcome to my very own PowerPoint. Are you ready? Well, are you ready? Well, whoa. Wait, before we go, I guess put this into different sections. For example, this Roblox Royal Family. Listen to this. And if it gets too loud in here, oopsie. Huh? Oh, oh yeah. Had to control the video. Hold on. What about right here? Look at what you get a close up. And at some point in the video, for train, the game like glitches. Yeah, like there. And then it just keeps going on and on and on. And the audio's still going though, even though it's glitched. And that was train number 1. But we're not finished there. There's more. Here's a different train this time. And don't worry, there will be no glitches throughout this second one. I wish there's horns. Wow. Wasn't that awesome? Here's that last part I had. And don't worry, I'm working on updating this PowerPoint. So stay tuned for that. You might see new trains come in. But don't worry guys, there's no glitches in this one either. Just so you know. And would you look at that? We're going one video at a time because this could glitch my game. This could glitch my PowerPoint. See that? That's Canada. Wait a minute. Oh wait. I had to control it. So it is about right here-ish. So wear some headphones guys, cause it's gonna get noisy. It's gonna get loud. Well, just watch Canada. And don't watch Canadian Pacific because don't worry, this is Canadian Pacific by the way, so you don't get confused. Man, that is an awesome train. And ooh, what's this? Don't blame me because I got some short video. I had shorted. Don't blame me because the screen's short. But Vegas Canadian via the Canadian passenger train. But that's another one. But down there is Norfolk Southern. Yeah, be warned. Yeah, be aware. You're gonna have to wear headphones on that as well. But this one is ATSF. This is this is Santa Fe rail fanning, but both of these things are derailed. If you look back there and you see this, oh, that just oh great. Oh, thank God started both. But on the right, see the first, that's derailed. I've never seen Santa Fe like that. And be aware, the two trains are the same. Because if you look here, both trains have the same equality, but except both of them are different. This is the same company, but different trains. See what I mean? Same cars, but both of them get derailed. A and G. Up there is BNSF, down there is Norfolk Southern. Wear headphones. Like I say, wear headphones. And listen to the end, because listen right here. This is how close I can go for you guys, because here comes a horn show. Yep, badge in for horn show. But let's take a look at what Norfolk Southern's got. Let's go. Yeah, terrible. There's no horn show on either one of them. This is A&G rail thing again. Hopefully. Oh, horn show. Horn show for Union Pacific. Let's look a close up.
0.
Man. That video's taking a long time. Yeah, I require you to wear headphones on that.
No.
Apparently it's the same thing. But different number? Oh, different. Both of them are the same, but this one is the left one has a heritage unit. I know what it is, but I want you guys to guess what the heritage unit is. But this one on the right, this one has DPU, I think. Oh, yeah, it does. Let me show you the DPU, guys. When there's one train, so it's a DPU like that. But I'm gonna go quick because I feel like my tablet's about to run out of memory. No, I did not ask for that video, but I asked for this one. Huh? Oh, great. This computer's having problems. But Nickel Plate Road is the answer to the heritage unit. So if you guys got that one right, you're awesome. You're legendary. But this is Union Pacific and BNSF Rail fan. Up is Union Pacific. Outside is BNSF. But I could go for this one first. Yeah, if I was Union Pacific, I had to go fast because running out of memory here. Huh? Oh, great. This thing's got. I'm about to ruin my life. This computer's gonna ruin my life. Alright. Well, Fanny, this is BNSF. While meanwhile over here is Burlington Northern. The original Burlington Northern. But there's gotta be a reason how BNSF and BNSF came into play. But this over here is a power move. Well, at least one of it. Sorry. This computer's getting me angry. This computer's gonna give me anger issues in a little bit. Finally it's over. Yeah, Pacific Rail Fanning. I gotta start here first. Oh shoot! Accidentally used the same footage. This computer's giving me anger issues. Man, this computer's gonna give me anger issues. I'm telling you, this computer's hating me. But this is a train by cart and model. This is Pan AM. It still exists today, but this is a game, but the game glitched out on me, so I was screwed. Look, take a look. Take a look. I never seen those. I never seen a SD70 I never seen a SD70 ACE like that before. Here's how it glitched. But that's gonna give me anger issues because this computer won't stinking work. Yeah, it's like here's the back of a chain, but apparently that's not gonna go good. But apparently I'm just glad this is the end. But if you like that one, give it a like. And I'll see you guys next time.